So what is going over on Captain Ninja?
My lord.
Small 2 to the wall. Campaign. Of course. That's the something to it was. Well, we did some more. Bolgar, Katha, not Sophia. Just done this, Katha. And we're currently trying to kill the Phoenicians who won't piss off my landstorm. Your popiness. You better not send me a mission that's going to annoy me. In the next. You're going to piss me off, aren't you? Yep. It's fun.
My lord.
Do we mind eliminating her? You're just that much of a puppet in this one. Oh, we've read the Verde. Right, can you make the gun hole? Okay. We're on into battle, right? Anyone else wants to join?
Will, sire. Sire.
Yeah, you can join them.
Yes. This is a brilliant spot to spring a deadly trap, sire.
As far as I'm concerned, they only have really problem with the armed sergeants. Crossbowmen, they're not good. Militia and civilian, they're weak at this point. And they got some heavy crossbow militia. And their second army is much better though. Better units. Something going to be difficult with the Toby Vicar. It's a damn close victory there. Sorry, you can't. Oh no, you might attack me. Just worrying. Oh, we took it. God grabs mine.
These
Cool.
lands are now yours.
Oh, the Pope's gonna kick me out. Actually, Venice attacked me. I shouldn't get committed for that. Of course, he might try and send the Popiness might send him, won't he? Just have crossbowmen and Norman. He has Norman Knights. Which. Oh. Wow. 65. That's lives here. If I'm concerned, after this, I think they only have one settlement left. No, they've Naples. They've Naples. I wanted they put on a move for one reason. Just to annoy the Pope. I don't want the Pope to attack me, nor do I want his armies at my door. But it might. I'm already going to get excommunicated. I know that. They're probably going to have to kill next turn.
The enemy have brought up more men. They hope to make up in numbers what they lack in gallantry.
Let's just watch them. Sort of playing. Oh, it is just. It's just.
Our men are winning the battle. If we continue like this, we will smash the enemy.
Fight me, Pope, missing Sicilian. Who's up front? Can you try and go around? I really want to try and take their general out, but it just depends what they're going to do at this point. Yeah, keep moving there. They might not try anyway. That's what I really want you. And that's why they're crossbowing off. I'll take go after them. After them. Oh my god, if you're nice, go after them. Don't actually go after them. Let's go after them. Oh, I'll be taking them out. Uh-oh. The peasants are dead.
If we continue like this, we will smash the enemy.
Great. I didn't go as well as expected. You crumble them, please crumble them. I don't even care at this point. You're gonna have to crush them. Oh, they don't do they? Come on. Okay, their bodyguard isn't after me, which is good. That's the good news. The bad news is I still have to fight these guys. Which is kind of annoying since they're normal knights are dead. Oh crap, get up. They're about to attack you. Fight them. Everyone fight. Everyone fight. We've got an incoming general's bodyguard. That won't piss off. Yeah, it's kind of difficult for them. Come on, crumble them, General. Kill him. That's all you've got to do. You've also got to remove their Norman Knights, which are a bit of a pain in the neck, to be honest. I hate the General's bodyguards. I'm not interested in this upgraded one. Let's give an upgraded one. It makes sense now. I don't want that General to. Well, don't know, 77%. This could be close. As long as they don't break. As long as my. Yeah. I think I'm gonna win. Oh no, we're not gonna win. It's my general that died. Good. Nice. Interesting. Don't die. You tits. Just kill their general and this will be over with. Just kill him. Idiots. I've just got that. No, not peasants. Yes, peasants. They don't do shit to me.
The enemy army flees the field.
Kill him. Don't let him run. Hunt their general down. Kill him. Yeah, we killed King of Sicily. He's dead. Good job. Well, that was a long fought battle. We lost our general, but who cares? Yeah, peasants don't stack a chance.
The enemy are utterly vanquished. This is a great victory worthy of only the mightiest of
I think
generals.
they wrote some little men that actually didn't have much yet. First army dead. 191 men remained mine. Wales 412. They shouldn't even be the chance of getting back. We just completely battered them in the 8.
This is a brilliant spot.
No.
I don't want to die, please.
I just take it. You're not focused asleep.
The day is ours, sire.
It's a good settlement
This
to
is
sack.
English soil.
Give us a bit of gosh. Oh my god, you're going to try and attack Kiev? Well, where else are they? I know where else they are, to be honest. Not happy they're going to try and attack. I don't want
The
to.
enemy finds us here.
If you try to excommunicate me, I'm going to come over there and personally go on a crusade myself. I actually wish. I don't remember. You could ceasefire with me and we'd be fine. I wouldn't. If he wants me to come on the crusade with him, I kind of called the crusade on purpose, but now it's. Oh my god, everyone! It's the point when we need to recover priests. Because I think it really did me down. And what do you know? It's slowly dying out.
After facing.
Yikes. That's not going to be good. We just gain a hell of a lot. Distraction me, rest of France me. Cool. Right, okay. Okay, right. You're cool. We're also. The Timurids going to be tough.
Orders.
Do you really? What's your problem? Can I just ask? Here, take some stimulation, you might be okay. So I've got Zagreb. Byzantine Emperor took care of all the Papal States? What? What the hell?
Yes.
Okay.
They'll wish they'd never been born,
What?
sire.
That makes no sense. I've got fucking Norman Knights, don't you? Those bastards. Oh, but it's gonna be annoying to take. Just take it. Yeah, this is the piss take part. They have. Wait, please only have a round. Some of the better rounds could go to the best way possible.
An order.
Yeah, we have a ram. Could go well as long as it doesn't go. Oh god. Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
Show no mercy.
We need much. We've pretty much got a huge amount now. I don't know how that happened, but I'm going to use that to stock up. Because I need to quickly be on my feet to take the Timurids out. I could. No, I can't. I'm not going to cheat.
Await my orders.
No one cares. Okay, as near as you can to the gates. In proportion to it.
Forward. Ramming position.
Don't die. Get in. And make sure you get inside. And don't die. Yeah, they're gonna get it. They're gonna get that.
The battering ram is in place. It will not be long before our enemy's defenses fall. The battering ram has done its work. Now is the time for brave hearts and brave deeds. We await your command. Advance! Our soldiers have proved their worth today. The enemy's walls belong to us now.
And they've started off. They're dismounting all night, aren't going to have a pretty fight, are they? Yeah, those Berserk could die. Go after them, peasants. What's after them? After them. After this peasant. There you go. They're gonna escape. Don't let them. Don't let them escape. They should die. They should, come on. Their second set. Oh, they are shaken. They really are unsure of what to do.
The battle is very much in our favour. If we remain true and steadfast,
It's going up slow but surely. We need to allow them to go back in. Oh, they really are this time. They'll drop all the knights. You guys are gonna try.
The battle is very much in our favour. If we remain true and steadfast, victory will be ours.
You bitch, can you? Oh shit, what's the gate? Fucking. Jesus fucking Christ, man. You go get the ram. Oh, how are you doing? Are they coming out to meet you at all? No, they're fine. Don't bother the bullshit. I need to grab the ram. Step fast, please. Grab a hold of it. That's it. You. Please, we don't fail this siege. We're doing pretty well too. 66% of their units are dead. Please get your asses over here quickly. Where are you? You're just there. Oh, he's got. Might have a don't go around. Please don't. You could have just. Oh, I can see why. You and your crazy crew might want to. So we can see them. Oh, this is not really nice. Oh no. Oh, I don't want that time. You might. You really want my losses, you know.
battering ram is in place. It will not be long before our enemy's defenses fall. The battering ram has done its work. Now is the time for brave hearts and brave deeds.
Go. Don't care. You go. Just go. Units inside quickly. Don't care what it says or anything. Just attack them.
Our men are winning the battle. If we continue
Oh,
like this,
this is gonna be close. Don't die. Don't you dare die, mate. I believe in you to not die. Just you get out there. Get out there. Get your other units going and help.
The enemy are badly bloodied.
Then you can come in back.
By St. George, the battle is very much in our favour. If we remain true and steadfast, victory will be
You can just help out. Everyone can help out in just defeating these Norman Knights, dismounted Norman Knights. Don't be silly. They can't win. It's just impossible.
By St. George, our men have slain the enemy general. Without him, his troops, all of Christendom will be awed by the victory we have won.
Oh, I
here
only just went on
today.
there.
Victory! Nothing can stop us, sire. Victory! These people now kneel before us, my lord. My lord. As you wish. Boarding transport, sire.
Yes, sir. Full sails. We'll drop anchor until morning, sire.
It's not going hard, really. Really, because we're literally there. 22, because things will happen that we don't like. Really like want to happen.
Know your
They
enemy.
have
I look forward
two
to
units,
fighting
so
you.
we all need to stop. Preparing for everything that can happen. Most places in the still want to take out. Just want to take him out. No. Tom's laughing. Just get him a units. No. Don't you see curve down? It's not normal to cast them happy. Please manage to get some units indeed. I'd say I can only dream of. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to pay roads because we need oh, we can get some everywhere. Oh, this could be nice. This will be, get some fuels to lose needs to operate because it's also going to become helpful. And we're creating us some top notch trips to use. Stop trying to recruit all of these. We care about us.
Orders. Dock is cheap.
Come to battle it is then, sire. Command me, sire. They'll wish they'd never been born, sire. Victory! Your will, sire.
Name the field of battle.
To war, then, sire. Glorious victory is ours, sire. To battle it is, then, sire. Glorious victory is ours, sire.
Battle will resolve our differences.
Sire,
Don't. Still try it.
as you wish.
Get back in. They have a strong hit.
If it is a fight you wish, come closer.
I'll try it yet.
Ships ready.
Where are the troops?
My lord. Yes.
What's the army?
Fleet ready, sire.
Force. I don't know where it is though. Could be anywhere.
You will have to fight us for these waters.
Ships ready. Set sail.
I'm also
No more wind
wanting.
today, sire.
Yes, Your Highness. Why do you say? Name the blasphemer. Who is the heretic, sire?
I can't figure it out.
It is not blasphemy. You simply do not understand.
Fleet ready, sire.
I'm supposed to come off that.
Leaving the boat,
No,
sire.
stop doing that.
Sire.